Hey everybody, good morning. Jim here again for Acers and Rods Media. Hey, we're out here on a beautiful Saturday morning. We're at the Resonant Church in Bradenton here in Manatee County, right down the road from our house. So we're like 15 minutes. So we love that. We love coming to shows where it only takes us 10-15 minutes to get here. Anyway, we're at Resonant Church today with our friends from LTC Ministries, H2O, that we're helping the homeless here today. We're coming out here. Everything's free car show. We've got some trophies, we've got raffles, we've got food, we've got prizes, we've got all kinds of stuff going on. We're going to play some music. Aaron's going to be catching the cars as they come in. We're getting ready. We're all set up, waiting for everybody to show up here. We've got about another 45 minutes or so before the show starts. So we're helping out the homeless here in Manatee County today, near and dear to our heart. You know, there's a lot of devastation here from the hurricanes, Hurricane Helene, Hurricane Milton. I'm looking across right here. We're looking at some houses behind us. We still have fence and trees and things down in the backyard. So obviously, you know, the homeless are struggling. The homeless struggle with this, especially after the storms and everything. Some of the shelters and things have been damaged. So we're out here doing what we can for the community. Hopefully you like the video. So with that, we'll see you at the next show.
My name is Liliana Funtal. I am your current Miss Manatee County's teen, 2024. I live in the beautiful Manatee County, and I'm so excited to be here today.
Awesome.
And I am Juliana Frey, Miss Manatee County 2024, and we are so happy to be here today advocating for homeless awareness and raising money.
Great. Thank you very much. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
Thank you. So we're gonna get this thing kicked off here this morning. If you need anything, come over and say hi, or go over to the booth there at the front of the church. Get yourself registered and say hi to everybody over there from LTC Ministries. We appreciate them coming out here today. So we're gonna do our usual